What's up, vlog? How you doing? Good afternoon, my bar ninjas. We are here at another party. Today we're in Temecula. If this is your first time here, we are live. My name is Shay. My boy Freddie behind the camera. If you haven't already, make sure you smash that subscribe button, double bump that bell, make sure you're notified. My man right there. Have a great day. Wish you could be here, guys. We're at another party. We're gonna have some fun. Brian and Allison, thanks for hanging out. Thanks for having us for another year. I know you've seen the other video. We'll link it right here. It's gonna be a good party. Let's go. Are the best! The best! The best! Happy spring break, guys. Hope you guys have an incredible summer. It's gonna be amazing. We're turning it up over here. Invite us out to one of your parties. We'd love to come right now. I hope I don't get copyrighted for this. So for all you bartenders out there that keep getting stiff cash tips at private events, give them your Venmo account.
Snapchat, Apple Pay,
anything else. It's a digital world, guys. No one has excuses. Get paid. What's that you got there, Freddie?
Oh, you know, just gratuity is what we call it.
And why did you get gratuity?
Because I'm a shit.
Yeah, that too. We got gratuity because the night is over, guys. Thanks for hanging out with us today. I really appreciate it. And till the next time, make sure you like, subscribe, comment, double bump the bell. Make sure you're notified every time we go on another crazy adventure somewhere in the world, somewhere. You never know where the next adventure is going to take us. Love you guys. Check the link in the description, www.mixologyflaired.com/shop. Get all your fly bar gear like this. And from me, Shay, my boy Freddie over here. See you later, guys. Next time. Peace out.